This tutorial review will show you how to use your phone as a secondary monitor. To use your phone as a secondary monitor, you have to install a software on your computer, and the same app you have to install on your phone. So first of all, let's download the app on computer. Open a browser and search for Space Disk Download and open this website spacedisk.net, and once you are here, click on download. And right now I'm using Windows 10 and my computer is 64-bit, so I'm going to clicking on it, and then the Space Disk installer will be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, click on it and install the Space Disk on your computer and run this software. And it's time to install the app on your phone. So open Play Store or App Store, search for Space Disk, and all you have to need just install this app on your mobile. Then open this app. At the same time, open the Space Disk software on your computer, and then here on your phone you will get your desktop server. So tap on the connection, and as you can see, my phone has been successfully connected with my computer as a secondary monitor. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.